All right, our third day at Supercell West, we went on a trail ride with some folks up to a Champion Mill Trail. You'll see Trail Hunter USA, our buddy there with us, as well as a few other familiar faces probably. This is not very rough trail, so it's very scenic. You never go out of four high, you never use your lockers, so it's not very eventful in that regard. But the beauty of this area is just so breathtaking. I definitely could see easily why people would fall in love with this area of the country. It's just so gorgeous. So anyway, sit back and enjoy the view, and we'll try to make it as quick as possible on here. Keep in mind it was raining the whole time, so we never used the GoPro, so we used the Wolf Box cameras only. So shout out to Wolf Box. I know by the time this is being released, it's deep into Black Friday. I know they got a sale on right now for 30% off. We got an affiliate link. We'll put that down below. Hope you guys will consider using that. It helps us out just a little bit. Not much, but just a little bit. And every little bit counts, so hope you'll consider that. Anyway, sit back and enjoy. We're going to pop some music in so it's not too quiet, but we'll try to be respectful and make it to where it fits the mood. Well, that's a wrap, folks, for Champion Mill Trail. We went back to the event and hung out with some friends. You can see Alex here and with the Hummer built third brake light kit. We did some filming with him. A special shout out to everybody that we hung out with: Eric and Debbie from Trail Hunter USA, as well as I Vega, Bronco Bus, Pew Pew Kachoo, our friend Alex. It's a ton of good times, and we can't wait to come back next year. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we got more videos to come soon.